dear children, welcome to the social class. In today's class, let us discuss about your business study second lesson, that is entrepreneurship. As children, you know that the factor of production. Here, the entrepreneur is the very important because without the entrepreneur, we cannot create any goods and services. Is it? Yes. I want to explain about that. Who is the entrepreneur? What are the characteristics of the entrepreneur? How he is working? What are the importance of the entrepreneur in our society? Is it? And some important Indian entrepreneur profiles, successful businessman profiles. You know that already entrepreneur means a businessman, is it? So let us discuss about that. How is the business is important in the society? Understand that. So and many more things we are going to learn in this entrepreneurship lesson. Yes, my dear friends, let us discuss about that entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Yes, here in the economy, we can see that entrepreneur is the one of the important role. In a sense, it plays a very important role in the factor of production. It's a very essential and very important for the production activity if it is a good or service. Okay, yes, here we can see that he is the creator, he innovates the new thing. Understand, entrepreneur innovate the new thing and he create the new thing for the society. Is it according to the demand of the society? Then afterwards he create the new thing for the society if it is the good or service. Understand? So entrepreneur is a very necessary in this 20th century. Because of what purpose? You know that already the varieties of countries are innovating the new thing. Is it? So nowadays development means the new innovation. Is it scientific innovation, biological innovation is the very necessary in this century. Is it? For that purpose, we can see that the innovation is the very necessary. The creation of the new thing is also very necessary for the development of the country. Okay. Yes. Let us discuss about that. How did the word entrepreneur is derived? Yes. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre. Understand? What is the word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre. Entreprendre means what? To undertake some work. In a sense, to do some work, to innovate the new thing. Understand? Create the new thing. Understand? So, to undertake some activity is called what it is? Entrepreneur. Yes, here the entrepreneur is derived from the French word entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, it means what? Undertake some activity. Understand? Undertake some activity is called the entrepreneur. Undertake means what happens here? In a sense, the collection of fact of production. Afterwards, innovating the new thing is also called what it is? We can call that what is entrepreneur. Yes, dear children, you know that you are also dreaming that you also want to become the good businessman. I want to appreciate you very much because of we are all working under the another person, but you all become the business person. Or entrepreneur means you are giving the job for some people. Understand? Understand this is this is the very good concept that as entrepreneurship, entrepreneur is the innovator, he is the creator, he undertakes some activity and creates something. It is the service or good is called the entrepreneur. Understand this? Yes, here, what are the qualities of the entrepreneur? Here we can see that he have the team building quality. Understand? He have the team building quality. Afterwards, leadership ability. Then afterwards, the management ability. Okay, then afterwards he is the innovator. He always seeking the new thing in the society because of he want to click in the society. If it means if one good is exist in the market means if we prepare the same good in the society means it is not getting the demand in society. Understand? In the sense we creating a new thing means we have demand in the society, but we not have what is new thing. In a sense, we are not creating the new thing. Same thing we are creating, we are producing means what happens here? The good, it lots is it's a demand. Understand? What example, here the Palaji biscuit is there. So I am also want to become a good entrepreneur and I want to create the one thing. For that purpose, I also started the biscuit factory. But what happens? I produce the same pattern of biscuit like the Parle-G. Understand? In the sense, I create the similar product for the Parle-G. In the sense, my biscuit is not getting the good demand. But I have the supply, but there is no demand, means what happens here? Loss occurs. Understand? Here, what is entrepreneur or business person main intention is getting the profit is the main intention. Apart from that, he is distributing the what it is something for the land, labor and capital also. Okay, the main intention of the entrepreneur is that what it is, he want to earn the more profit is the main intention. Understand this? Yes, dear children, let us discuss about that. Already we know that what are the qualities of the entrepreneur. The quality of the entrepreneur is he has the team building quality, decision making quality, organization qualities. Understand? And he create the new thing. He is the innovator. All these things we can see in the entrepreneur. Yes, here we can see that entrepreneur, he is not waiting for the opportunity, but he is creating his own opportunities. This is the quality of the entrepreneur. Understand this? What is every entrepreneur is not seeking for any opportunity. He is creating the opportunity. Understand this? Afterwards, he has some questions about that. How to produce, what to produce and how much to produce is it? So, for this question, he get the salvation and he start to do the production. Understand that? What is what to produce, how and how much. These all the questions are there for every entrepreneur. Is it? How to produce? It means what? I am going deeply here. What to produce means what? Biscuit, the chocolate, not likewise. Which thing is demand in the society? Understand? What is people need? So, that what can I produce? That is the question of the every entrepreneur. Understand this? Then how to produce means how can I produce? Not is the question. Here the complex question is if I use the technique or what is the capital based production is necessary or labor based production is necessary. Is it? Here the labor bonded is different from the technological bonded. In a sense, capital bonded. It is very expensive. It is the less expensive. In a sense, the labor bonded means it is the less expensive. Is it? So, which is suitable for my production? Is it? He choose that if the labor more available, expense on the labor is the very less means he choose that the labor bonded production. If technology is suitable for him, he have the more capital means he will choose that about the capital based. Is it? Yes, then how much is it? How much can I produce? Is it? Yes, first he takes the data about the society. How the people are accepting my supply. Understand? If it is the needed or not. What is the demand of the society? For which group? Middle group, higher group or what is the people who are in the poverty. So my good is utilized for the whom? Is it? So he calculate all these things. Afterward he start to produce the good. In the sense he have the ability to organize all these things and produce a new thing. He is called the entrepreneur. Understand this? As an entrepreneur is the innovator, he is the creator. He is create the new thing. Yes, let us move for the next point that what is the entrepreneurship? Is it? What is the? It is nothing but the process of the entrepreneur is called the entrepreneurship. Understand? Entrepreneur is an innovator. He create the new thing. Is it? He undertakes some activity. But here, what is the entrepreneurship process? He is doing this activity. It is called the entrepreneurship. As here, the process of the action of an entrepreneur. So, who undertake for the establish of his enterprise. Understand? It is the process. Who want to undertake his process is called the entrepreneurship. Since doing the business is called the entrepreneurship. Understand this. Yes, entrepreneurship is the very innovative. It's the very necessary for the country. Then afterwards, here we can say I already explained that he is not waiting for any opportunity. He creates the opportunity and he provides the opportunity for the others also. And the children, you know that here every entrepreneur, every businessman, he is choosing which is not possible by the common people. Understand? What he is doing means every entrepreneur is doing that. So what common people is not able to do that, he choose that. He undertakes some activity on that matter. Understand this? What it is which is not possible for the common people, entrepreneur is undertake that. Afterwards he create the new thing from that. He is the entrepreneur. So we call that attitude to mind seek opportunity. Is it? So for that purpose he seek the opportunity. He is not what it is we are trouble to do that. Is it? It is a choice to us. So here the business person, entrepreneur, he is undertake that activity and he gets the success on that. He is the entrepreneur. Understand this. As the next is the what is the calculate the risk and drives. What is calculate the risk and he gets the profit. He drives the profit also, benefits also. What is he calculate the risk? What are the problems are coming when he start the business? So first he calculates the risk and he is thinking that it is possible to handle this risk or not. Okay. Then afterwards he think that how it is possible to maintain these risks. Okay. Afterwards he want to solve all these risks. Then he want to drive that benefits. Main intention of the every business person is not a social concern. So social concern is a matter, but here we can see that the main intention of the every business person is the profit. Yes, the next is philosophy. Is it? He have his own philosophy. Entrepreneur is a philosopher because of he is the creator. Then his way of thinking is a very different from a common people. Already I said no, a person or the common people who are not possible to do the work, he undertook that work. Understand? He handled the work. He take over that work. Understand this? So these are all the qualities of the what is the entrepreneurship. Understand this? Yes, dear children, let us discuss about the characteristics of the entrepreneur. First, he is the creativity. Yes, he is creating the new thing to the society. He want to produce a new thing. Is it? If it is a good or the service. Is it? So, for that purpose, he is what here? What is the good is exist in the society. He is not continuous that he is not produce the same good because of he is the creator. Understand? He always producing the new thing. One thing I forget in the introduction class, that is what is the innovation of the ATM cards. Is it TVs, cameras, washing machine, refrigerator? These are all the effort of this activity, creative activity. Understand? This is all the efforts of the entrepreneur. Understand this? So he is the creator. Then next is the dynamism. Already you understand that what is the meaning of dynamic? Dynamic means what is the change? Is it? It is not a stagnant. It is a change. Is dynamism in a sense he always produce the good or services in a dynamic manner. For that purpose, when we see the history of the biscuits, we can see that first Parle-G is there, Marigold is there, similar products is not came to the market. We can see that the Crackjack is came. Then afterwards we can see that 2020 biscuits are there, salty biscuits are there. Then afterwards the Good Day. Is it? Then next we can move for the hide and seek, dog fantasy. Then nowadays the nutritious biscuits. So likewise we can see that the changes in the market, is it? So in the mobiles also, in the olden days, keypad mobile is there, is it? First land phone is there, afterwards the keypad mobile, only a ringtone we can see there. Is it? Afterwards the back camera came. Then nowadays we can see the very modified technology in the mobiles. What it means? Why the entrepreneur is not doing the same thing? Because he is dynamic. We are also dynamic. We need the new thing. Is it? For that purpose, every entrepreneur is create the new thing. Then team building. Already I said that it is the nature of the every entrepreneur. Team building. He is organized the factor of production. Is it? So without the entrepreneur, fact of production will be waste. Is it? So no one anyone can organize these type of the factor of production. Is it? He built the team. Yes, he built the team also. Here we can see that what are the factor of production? Land, labor and capital. So land is there, labor is there, capital is there. But there is no entrepreneur means the waste. Is it? There is no creation. So he is the team builder. He built the team, then he managed the risk, then he gives the new technology for this team and he create the new thing. So he is the team builder. So team building quality is the characteristic of the every entrepreneur. If you have this quality means you are also entrepreneur. Then you get the process after completion of your examination. After the 10th also it's useful for that purpose. Here government is giving this lesson for you. Okay. Yes. Then next is the problem solving. Yes. Every entrepreneur have the ability to solve the problem. When he is not possible to solve the problem, he is not the real entrepreneur. He is gets the failure in his work. Afterwards, he gets the loss. But every entrepreneur have the ability to solve the problems. Then risk taking. As already I said, now a normal person who is not able to do the work, he choose that work and he is made that successful. So he takes the risk. Then afterwards commitments. He makes the many commitments. Afterwards he create the new thing. Then afterwards innovation. Is it? He is searching, he is innovating the new thing. If it is a technology or service, there is no innovation means society is not accepting the new thing. Is it? Yes. Sorry, old thing. Society is not ready to accept the old thing. So he is the innovator. He innovates. See, in the biscuit history already I said that the biscuit and chocolate is not a mixing at before. Is it? Afterwards we can see that he innovated the new technology with how to preserve the chocolate without melting in the cover of biscuit. Is it? So this is the new technology. Business person is innovating this type of the techniques. Not only in the biscuits, in the every goods, the mobiles, washing machines, modified. We are saying no one version to another version. This is called innovation. So innovation is also one of the characters of the entrepreneur. And leadership quality. Already I said that he built the team and he bear the risk. Afterwards he managed the team. So person who have the leadership quality, it is possible to maintain all these things. Without the leadership quality, he is not an innovator, he is not a creative, he is not an entrepreneur. So leadership quality is a very important to lead any business. Then is the achievement motivation. Yes, what is his main achievement? To get the more profit is the achievement. Is it? For that purpose, on that motivation he is doing all activity. Then goal orientation. He have the specific goal. So he will reach that. So this is also quality. Without the goal we cannot achieve anything. Then afterwards decision making in the every difficult field, in every difficult time we can, is a very important to take the decision in the right time. Is it? So he have the decision making ability. Then self confidence is the very necessary if it is the loss or profit. So through the goal orientation and achievement motivation, he get the self confidence. Through that he can achieve the new thing. These are all the characteristics of the entrepreneurship. Let us discuss about the functions of entrepreneur. Is already we know that what are the functions of the entrepreneur. When we understand the character, it is a very easy for you. As he is preparing the various plans for his business, is it? So he makes the many more plans, and he plans that how to click in the business and how to get the more profit in the business. All these things we can see in the entrepreneur. In the sense, he plans that he prepares the various plans for his business purpose, and he organizes the factor of production. Already we know that what are the factor of production: land, labor, and capital. It is not in the in the same manner. In the sense, sometimes the labor available, sometimes land available, sometimes capital available, sometimes capital is not available. So sometimes all available means the creation is not to go place without the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the creator. He create the new thing with the organization of this factor of production. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಡವಾಳ, ಭೂಮಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಿದು ಶ್ರಮ, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸ. ಭೂಮಿ, ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಅದು ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉದ್ಯಮಿಯ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕೆಲಸ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವನನ್ನ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Is then here he takes the decisions about the product, technology and marketing and employment. Yes, he takes the decision about that what is the product, is it? So about the product, what quantity to produce, what to produce, how to produce, whom to produce, how much to produce, is it? So what about his plan about the product? ಅವನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಏನು ಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಬೆಲೆಗೆ ಮಾರಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ಅವನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನೇ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. Who is the entrepreneur? He take the decision about his product. Then about the technology, which type of the technology is the suitable, is it? So all this decision about the marketing, how can do the supply of this what is good, how can I do the marketing, any ads are very need or not, is it? How can I popular this product in the society? So all these decisions are taken by the entrepreneur. Then afterwards, employment, how much labors, how much workforce is necessary to produce this good. ಅವನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಗೂಡ್ ವಸ್ತು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸೇವೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರಮ ಬಲ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಕೂಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವನೇ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. And he coordinate the things efficiently. Yes, he then he makes the team and he manage the team. He build the team and he manage the team, and he think about the technology and about the marketing. He takes all decision and coordinate all these things. Finally, he produce the good. Afterwards, he produced the new method into the practice. What is he introduced the new method into the practice? Is every entrepreneur is introduced a new thing. How much is the needed? How much is not how he is not enjoying it. He is not become the successful entrepreneur. He is he's beyond the risk. He faces some more risk and uncertainties. Sometimes see here the is there now at present is in many entrepreneurs is expecting more and they producing the more goods, but here demand is not there in the society because of these uncertainties, is it? So corona, sometimes the cyclones, natural calamities and political critical situations. These are all called uncertainties. So this uncertainty is also he is facing. Afterwards he is become the successful. Without that he is not. It is not possible to become an entrepreneur, and he bear the risk. Then afterwards he gives the direction. As here we can see that what afterwards he is make them to produce the goods efficiently, effectively. Afterwards effective entrepreneur. In next class we must discuss